Today I'm going to show you how to make 3D pop-out mobile screen effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your Magic Wand tool, and then select Screen. Go to Select, Modify, and Expand. Make the expand by 5 pixels. Then click OK. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Go to File, Place Embedded, and place your second image. Decrease the opacity to 50%. Drag these handles to distort the model and match it to your mobile screen. Hit Enter or Return once you're satisfied. Set the opacity back to 100%. Right-click on the model layer and create clipping mask. Go back to Select, and Subject. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Open your Eraser tool, and then erase the extras. Click the FX icon and add Drop Shadow. The blend mode, Multiply. The color, Black. The opacity, 20%. Uncheck Use Global Light. The angle, 30 degree. The distance, 40 pixel. The spread, 0%. And the size, 54 pixel. Then click OK. Right-click on the Indicates Layer Effects, and choose the Create Layer. If you see this message, click OK. Select Drop Shadow. Erase the extras. And that's it. Hope you liked it.